IKEA!
So another one.
So my hands are very cold writing this. Boholana Explorer.
Wow, thank you!
Een naam van familie die ermee begon.
Familienaam.
Ja. Ik weet dat er een familie is die ermee begon. En nog lang de macht in handen gehouden heeft. Als het misschien nu nog is. Het is één familie.
Je kunt ook online shoppen.
Ja, natuurlijk. Maar waar zou je niet kunnen online shoppen?
Want ik was met zo'n gewone auto.
Dan hadden we zien dat ze in kleine dozen de tak openen. Dan kun je daar weg.
Welcome to Ikea Hazard. Among favorite dari nga tambayan. Very big shop. So we buy the whole shop. Charasyon na ni nami diri. Pero nami ganahan mapalit mi. Pero I think mga piri akong pares kay gusto siya kape. So see you there sa inside sa Ikea. This is the entrance, inggang. Social kay sila entrance guys, oh. Dagan. La.
Wat een gaat die niet.
So what? Welcome to Ikea. So this is the second floor. Already things, and then the restaurant kay mobile siya og coffee. I think akong darling gusto siya mag coffee. Drink some coffee di ay. Naunsa naman akong baba guys. Wala naman nakabalo sa akong istorya. So mga pisa mi dire. If you have a small apartment, that's what you put here. You're at home na? You're tired already? Of course, kaluoy sa akong darling. Ikapoy tibok adlaw naglaag mi. Among driver na AFAM. Sana all ang daghan ng sofa diri guys. Oh. Pero di magsilbi sa ko sa Valencia kay nakoy daghang mga tarsher nga pag umangkon. Di matabang na dito sa mga mabuling. Chairs. Office chairs. For the sala. So there is in IKEA Cebu. Sabi ng husband ko baka makakita daw kami ng decent na mga appliance. Here's the kitchen side. Kitchen. Fridge. Office space. There, follow the path. Follow the leaders. Basin mapalit ni. Just dropping by here IKEA. Tapos pagkadaghang palitonon diri guys, og natin daghang kwarta. Uy. Pero mga tao diri sa Belgium guys, kay ari ra jud magpalit diri sa IKEA og naay mag-building. So my brother, maghimo kag ani oh. Kanang butangan naging labhan ba? Metal bitaw tapos ano ra god symbol ra god ng mga tiil. Ano ra nga tiil? Sa Valencia para sa terrace na ako ba? Kaya bahala saan pagkuana. For small babies. For Lawrence. Small bed. All the kitchenwares. Mga plato, baso, kutsara, tinidor. Mga kutsyon para sa chairs o cortina. We are here in the lamp section. Lamps. Suga. Oh, the watches. Now we go to the plants.
And they're building the Eiffel Tower.
Small till big. We go to the plants. I'll show you the plants here. Oh, I have plants like this. I have plants like this in the house.
Ja, ooit. Nee, nee.
Oh, the plants. Very nice plants here, guys. Oh. Wow. So nice. Orchids. This one. That in the Philippines. Nice, this one, guys. This one is nice. Yeah. Kamahal gud na, guys. Oh, mga palmera. Oh, I have this one in the house. That one in the house. Pila ni, guys? This one is I don't know the price. 39 euros. Oh, I have this one in the house. Grabe ang mga bulak diri, guys. Mga mahal kayo, guys. Oh. So, mga plantita dira, mao ni ilang mga bulak diri sa kuan sa Ikea. Wow. Wala ka, guys. Nindot kayo ilang mga blawak. Especially that orchids. Wow. Ano yung mga price diya, guys. Kanina ako ano sa Valencia. Hala, kamahal. This is 5 euros. Cute kayo, guys. Wow, she's buying the mirror.
Something I want to show.
Yeah, it's okay. You pay for it.
I pay for it.
Of course, you have the money. Oh, I have like this in the house. I have a lot like this in the house in Valencia. Oh, this is 14 euros for this. And the coconut, I will tell you how much is the coconut. So the coconut is 10 euros, 500 pesos, guys. Oh, I have like this in the house. Lost 7 euros di ay ni siya. Kana na ako sa Valencia po ana. Kiniun sa mani, wala pa Ginoo ko. Ang coconut jud kay 10 euros. Look at that cute pineapple, oh. Flowers, different kind of flowers. So, ang pineapple is 8 euros for the pineapple. Just go. That one also. Kani, 29 euros ang palmera. Oh, lala, lala. So, mahal gidiri, guys, ang mga bulak. There's another one. And what's this? Jackfruit or what? Looks like jackfruit. Wow. This one on the orchids. White orchids. Nagpalit mig hangiranan sa clothes. Sige butang mirror and things like that and hanger. So garabing nakuha silang shop. So dire guys, dami sa ground floor karon sa Ikea. So almost done na mi sa aming tour diri sa Ikea. The last part here. There. Like that, oh, to protect from the dust. From the dust there. Oh, you have your no table now, table. and a closet, and a mirror, and a hanger. We go now. We have to pay, and then we go home. Laura's,
Don't eat anymore, then it's too late
Laura's happy. What is too late?
to eat. You don't eat yet.
Why it's too late? There's no too late.
It's getting dark.
It's not too late. You just bought a lot of things, and then you don't want to eat.
You eat noodles at home.
We eat noodles at home now. It's dark. Dorky.
Oh, that's where.
Because it's evening, it's cold now. Salamat. Uli nami guys amo ang IKEA shopping. Till next time. Nakapalit mi abi na di mi mo palit. I'm the baby. Yun na, kaya the baby will run. This papa. We are crazy here. Family. I'm going crazy here. We have a lot of fun, guys. My husband also is playing with the postcard. Balik mig sulod kay mga on the economy. So, nagpalit ko siya bang 100 plus na mga furniture. So, we will not go for eating dinner here. See you guys. Salamat. Oh, no more salad. It's finished. No more.
Mostly they take like salad there.
I know. There is no more. It's evening na. Gabi naman, God. Green apple and then the dessert.
Fruit salad.
No, you can have mine. I don't like onions.
I like it.
Because I saw when he does like that, there's a lot of onions. There's a lot. So, ikaduha na namon ning uli pananghid. Kay ning balik man mi kay nani hapon, may salamat my dear sa dinner na busog kay ko sa muscles. Dako kayo ang shop dire guys oh. So, gikan diha padungad to tumoy pagyod, car park dako kaayo. Nana. Super busog mi, pwede pa mi magka-refill sa french fries pero wala ni sugot akong bana kay manambok na daw ko. So isa ka french fries ra akong gikaon. So gahapon nag-restaurant, karon nag-restaurant. So sagdi lang tagsaraman ko dari. Bye and thank you for watching. Happy akong Laura kay naigipalit na sa iyang room. We are going home. Afternoon shopping is finished.